what you should be doing if you're interested in investing is invest monthly, dollar cost average, invest the same amount every month. Dollar cost average means you buy more shares with the same amount of money when the stock market is down. You buy fewer shares because you're using the same amount of money, but if the stock market goes up, you buy fewer shares. Just the way the math works. And you do it month in, month out, and just expect that in 15, 20 years, you have a nice pot of gold at the end. If you're looking for the, not just you, I'm not picking on you. Just if you're looking for the lottery ticket stock, it's fun, make it a hobby. But what happens is what I see is a lot of people spend so much time looking for the lottery ticket style stock that they put aside personal finance. You want to do something to hit the lottery? I'm going to give you the lottery ticket right now. Become really good at understanding your tax return, because in a lifetime you're going to pay a boatload more in taxes than what you're going to make on any one great hot stock. Generally speaking, you'll do better by saving in taxes. That's one thing that everybody could do. The next thing, invest regularly. But when you invest money, invest the money before you earn it. In other words, when you earn money, you get paid, save a little first and then spend. Because if you spend first with the idea that, hey, I'm going to spend and then I'll invest what's left over, the problem is often we don't either have anything left over, we don't have as much left over, and it just takes away the discipline, and it relies on willpower. And like relying on willpower is like the opposite of having a disciplined financial strategy. So these are things that I think are worth much more to you over time.